this session, we are going to discuss another very important topic of STAT. So that is evaluation of postfix expression. So in the topic you see, I have mentioned a new word which is called as a postfix. Okay, so what is a postfix and how it is being represented? So all these things first you must have to know. So after knowing that only we can go for problematic discussions or any type of theoretical question discussions, right? So shall we proceed? So here I am going to give you a brief introduction about different types of expressions that are being evaluated in data structures in order to produce a result on the basis of operators and operands that we are going to substitute in the program. So in any type of programming languages, okay, what we are using, that is whether it is an application oriented side or whether it is a system oriented side, we are using these expressions as a very vital concept. Okay, so we will discuss. So there are three types of expression evaluations. Okay, it is infix, prefix and postfix. Okay, so what is an infix, prefix and postfix? That I am going to explain you. So before that, you must have to know very vitally, that is what all is different uses in data structures and in computer science. Okay, so first we are using these expressions for evaluating operators and operands. So what is an operator? It is a general meaning. What is its general meaning of operator? So general meaning of operator is nothing but arithmetic operators, okay, logical operators or mathematical operators or whatever thing that we are using. Okay, for example, write as plus, minus and like this you can go on, right? Okay, so these are different types of operators that we are using for evaluating the expressions. Okay, then another one, what is called as an operand. So operand is nothing but variables that we are using. For example, A, B, all these are called as an operand. Okay, so in order to evaluate those operators and operands that we are using in problematic side, the compilers are using these expressions as a very important thing for evaluating the problems. Okay, so that you can able to get the result in an easier manner. Okay, so next is these expressions are used in parsers generation. So what is called as a parser? So parser is a very important topic that we may learn in compiler design. Okay, so while dealing with compiler design, at that time we can see this concept in a very deeper manner. So now I'll tell you what is called as a parser. So parser is nothing but once the expressions are being given by the customers or by the applications, so this parser is going to generate each and every operators and operands, and it's going to construct a tree structure. Okay, like binary trees, it is going to construct a tree structure which we may call it as a syntax tree. So for that also we are using these expressions as a very important one. Okay, so next is intermediate code generation. So this is a concept that we are using in between the application side and the system side. Okay, in between the application as well as in the hardware side, that is I am telling about the system side, that is at the end user and at the back end. Okay, so simply if I want to tell front end and the back end, so there is an in-between system which is going to create an intermediate code. Okay, so intermediate code is nothing but it is used for converting from high level language to low level language or from low level language to high level language, right? So for that we are using this intermediate code generation, which is very important even in this compiler. So this intermediate code generation will also come in compilers. Okay, so this is also an important topic in compiler design. So all these stages we will be discussing in compiler design, right? So you just know it. So these are very important concept in evaluation of expressions, right? So next is postfix. This is one of the advantages of these three expressions. So I have written that postfix expression is more efficient when compared to that of the remaining two. Okay, so now we will see what is the representation of these expressions. Okay, so now how the infix expression will be represented, and how the prefix expression will be represented, and how the postfix is represented. Okay, so I have explained, I have given you an example. Okay, so this is an example for infix expression. Okay, see, a plus b, so this is an operand, right, and this is your operator. Very easy. Okay, see, if you go on read these concepts, and if you go on recall all these concepts, you will be feeling it very easier. Data structure is very important and very easier topic, friends. Okay, so next you see, so this is your prefix expression. So in prefix, what is the meaning? The operator is going to come in the front of the operands. That's all. Nothing to remember so much of concepts. Okay, so you see, operators will come in front of the operands. So what is called postfix? The operator is going to come at the last of the operands. Okay, can you understand? So these are different types of expressions that we are using in data structures. Okay, so now we are going to see a problem related to that of postfix expression evaluation using stacks. Okay, so in the next video we are going to discuss. Okay, so friends, are you clear with this concept? Right, so we will see in the next video. Right, thank you.